Welcome to camp. It is a little bit of a muddy camping trip right now, but I'm gonna show you everything that I brought to eat today for a pretty lazy, relaxing day at camp. I love to cook, so I've got some fun meals planned. And first up is, of course, breakfast. It is, well, actually, it's already almost 11. It was pretty cold this morning, so we haven't been that active, but now it's finally warming up. So we're gonna have, I guess, breakfast slash early lunch, and I'm making avocado toast with a fried egg. And of course I have my coffee.
Brunch.
Brunch. That's where we're at right now. 11 a.m. brunch time. Got my little camp kitchen set up. Have a trusty cast iron pan, and I'm gonna first start to toast some bread, just gently in this pan. So I got my bread and a hopefully ripe avocado. I think it's close. I think I'll be all right. And I'm gonna do a nice slice of this beautiful heirloom tomato. And I forgot, I brought some sausage. So I'm gonna grill that up or put that in the pan as well. This will be a good brunch. I guess I'll see you in a moment after I toast this bread. Got my avocado toast. I'm gonna put tomato on these. Yes. And then my eggs. Really take this brunch to the next level. Going to start that and throw in just a few little sausage links. I had these at home, so I just threw them in the cooler because I didn't want them to go bad while I was gone. These are already cooked, so they just need to be heated up. This didn't take me long at all, but how delicious does this look? We are both so hungry, so I'm gonna dive in. We are just hanging out at camp. There's really not a whole lot to show in between breakfast and this afternoon because we've just been reading, relaxing, filming some stuff, and pretty soon I'm actually gonna make my dessert for tonight. I'm doing Dutch oven dessert, and I'm gonna make that earlier so that it can cool, and then if it gets dark, I'm not trying to do that in the dark, but I'm gonna read for a little bit longer and then get into that. I'm reading a book about food photography because I really love food photography and I want to get better at it. And so yeah, in case you're wondering. Light and shadow, taking charge of your most powerful tool for outstanding shots.
Nap time. Second nap.
Look at this, too cool, too warm, just right.
Can I reach it? Hold my foot. No, I'm kidding.
Snack time, and I have, well, first of all, I've been drinking lots of water with electrolytes. I have a salt packet in here, and I got some apples and peanut butter, one of my favorite snacks. And I also have some pork rinds, jalapeno cheddar. Oh my gosh. This is a new jar of peanut butter, so I'm gonna mix this up good. Cookies. Dessert first, and I am making my Dutch oven cookie bars. Got my cookie dough here, I made this at home, and I call these cookie bars because it's basically just one giant cookie that I'm gonna cut into bars so it's easy to eat and to share. These are so dang good. So I'm really looking forward to these. All I have to do is just line my Dutch oven with parchment paper and press the dough in there, and they go to bake with the briquettes. So nice and easy. All right, cookie dough with tongs. Clear out some space here. Gonna let these cookies bake, and they gotta cool for a little while, and we'll have them after dinner. While we wait, I think we're just gonna sit right there and stretch, work on our mobility, just kind of relax in the sun, and then start getting dinner ready. Timer just went off. Let's take a look at these cookies. I wish you could smell this. Ready? That looks so good. Some cookies. All right. It is finally dinner time, which is one of my favorite times when I'm out camping, just that relaxing evening. We have a fire going, Nick's tending the fire, and he's also going to grill up some chicken thighs that I have marinating in a cilantro lime marinade. It's so easy, so delicious. And then to go with the chicken, I'm gonna make a nice fresh pineapple salsa, because for some reason I've just been craving that. Maybe because I'm craving hotter tropical weather, but I have some fresh pineapple, red onion, a jalapeno, some lime, and fresh cilantro. So that's just gonna get mixed together. And then I'm also going to just cook up this cilantro lime rice, nice and easy, and there'll be a nice complete meal. So excited about it. This is just such a special time, I think, camping, when you can just hang out around the campfire, cook a delicious meal, enjoy a delicious meal in a peaceful, undistracted environment. So I'm excited about this, and I think it's gonna taste really good. I get the rice going sooner rather than later, because it takes 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Rice mix. Rice is just about simmering there. Too downhill there. Let that simmer for a few minutes. I am one of those people that cannot have enough cilantro. I love it. I think we eat it almost every single day. We put it on everything. But I know there's some people out there that absolutely hate it, which is a shame because I think it's one of the greatest things ever. That is good enough. It's gonna go in there. Start with half a lime and see how juicy it is. That looks pretty good. It's just giving me summer, tropical vibes, which after a very long, cold, wet winter, I am so looking forward to some warmer weather. Yeah, look how pretty this looks. Sit for 5 minutes. This looks like such a beautiful plate of food, and it was really not that hard at all. You could probably even make this pineapple salsa in advance, and then it's really even easier, but looks beautiful, and I'm sure it's just going to taste delicious, and I'm really hungry, so. So good. This is gonna have all the bites. Salsa and some chicken. It's kind of getting cold, so it's nice by the fire, but look at this beauty. It is almost like a cookie meets a brownie. It's sort of chewy, and then there's a crispiness on the top, and it's just so good. I use brown butter in these. I love dessert. Finish this cookie, hang out by the fire, and that is gonna be it for this What I Eat in a Day camping. I love making these videos. I love cooking at camp, as I've said so many times, but it really is one of my greatest passions, and I think time spent around the campfire enjoying a meal is something that I hope you can do more in your life. So if you like this video, check out this one here. I have tons of camp cooking and what I eat in a day kind of things to get you inspired for your next camping trip and your next camp meal. You fart? It sounded like you just farted. Did you hear that?